NOVITA SARI, the representative of Institut Teknologi Nasional Bandung, untuk pemilihan mahasiswa prestasi 2018.
Currently, there are many environmental pollutions, especially water caused by human activities. Ministry of Environment and Forestry states that 75% of river water in the region has been heavily polluted, especially by domestic waste. This will cause a lack of clean water. Ministers of National Development Planning states that about 72 million people still don't have access to adequate drinking water, and about 96 million people still don't have proper sanitation. One of the causes of this problem is the laundry wastewater discharged without any treatment.
I propose an idea entitled Modifications of Water Washing Machine Filter as an effort to protect aquatic ecosystem. Water is a technology that's combined with the automatic washing machines. The functions of the water is to remove compounds in laundry wastewater that endangers the aquatic ecosystem. Wastewater from the laundry industry contain dangerous active ingredients derived from detergents such as high phosphate, COD, TSS, and BOD contents. This will occur eutrophication and decrease the dissolve in the water that every aquatic creature needs. Many methods and research have been developed to resolve this problem. Some of them are building upflow anaerobic filter processing tubes, active sludge biosense filter reactor processing units, and other processing by coagulations and sedimentation process. But those methods are still not effective because the processing time is long and requires a lot of space. So I recommended the water as a technology to reduce the laundry wastewater.
Water washing machine filter is installed at the bottom sides of front-loader automatic washing machine or electrodes. Water consists of three processing units: filtration, active carbon absorption, and electrocoagulation. After the drainage process, the wastewater will enter the filtration unit. In there, solid, particle, and non-polar substance will retain at the filter. Because the filter medium has hydrophilic properties, only water and the other hydrophilic substance can pass. After that, the wastewater will be absorbed by active carbon. In this process, the phosphate content, the remaining non-polar substance, colors, and odor on wastewater will be absorbed. Active carbon has a certain pore size and a unique surface area. This makes a smaller molecule size can be absorbed without any problem. Final phase, the wastewater will be precipitated to remove metals and dissolve solids forming ions by electrocoagulation. Electrocoagulation consists of anodes and cathodes from aluminum, which are fed by DC electric currents to produce an electrolytic reaction within an electrocoagulation cell, which is electrified. The reductions and electrolysis reactions will form in aluminum hydroxide solid. The wastewater will be coagulated in those processes. In the end, the wastewater from the laundry has been completely processed into clean water. This clean water can be used again for washing and the other sanitation activities.
With this technology, I hope the water pollution